Hi guys, I'm back with a new video, but this time it's a different kind of video. I started getting into making cards and I subscribed to the Simon System card kit, and this card kit I use now is the August one. And so I'm just gonna share the cards I made. I'm not gonna show how I made them. So this is the first one. I used the stamp, one of the stamps that's included in the kit, and I really love how this here turned out. I used oxide inks, and I colored the tulips with Zig clear brush markers, and they're really vibrant. I love them. The paper is from the card kit, and this one is the only one I stamped something in it. All the other ones are so far blank inside. So I have this one, and then I have this one. There might be weird noises. It's my cat, so she's cleaning herself right now, scratching. All right, so I got this one here. The paper, this paper here was in the card kit, and this is another stamp, another flower stamp, and I colored it with watercolors. And this is embossed, and the little tiny hearts, they're stickers, they were in the card kit too. And I really love how this one turned out too. I love the colors. It's really soft. Yeah, so I got this one. And then I made this one. So this is the same stamp. I just stamped it on not the whole piece, and this is a die I had in my stash. I don't remember where it came from, but it's really pretty. And the paper is also from the card kit. It looks kind of like a lace, and this card opens like this. And I also used watercolors, and I colored out of the line. And oh, and this was also part of the card kit, but yeah, I used a lot of it. Well, it wasn't too much, but yeah. And I used some Nouveau drops, some gold ones here, yeah. And then this one I made out of scraps. So all the papers are scraps, like leftovers from the cards I made. And yeah, I made this one. I stamped this. I used some Nouveau clear crystal drops, and I think it turned out really nice too. I love the papers in the card kit. And then I have this one, and this is also another stamp, which I colored also, I think, in Zig clear brush markers. And this is foam tape, and this is another die from the paper I made. And yeah, I really love this card too. Oh, and this color was included in the card kit, the Nouveau drops. I think it's called bubblegum, blush bubblegum, something like that. Yeah. And this one, I stamped the flowers on craft paper and then colored them with color pencils. I used polychromos color pencils, and I added some highlights with the white gel pen. Added some sequins, and that's it. And I think this turned out really nice too. The next one is a similar. It's the same technique, just different. I used the stamps different, so they're still the same stamps, and this fence was included too. It actually came up to here, so it's just like from here to here. I stamped it twice. I maxed it off, and I stamped the flowers, so it looks like a garden rather than being in a pot or a glass, a jar. And I also added matching sequins, and I also put it on foam tape, and I really like how this turned out too. I did a few more with this, with the craft paper and the color pencils, because I really liked how it looked. So I got these two, and then I have this one. Okay, I have this one. This stamp was not included in the kit. It's from Waffle Flowers, and I love that stamp set. And this is actually also a stamp. It's a big stamp with like roses, and I wanted like this kind of watercolor effect, so it's not too detailed. And I used Ecoline watercolor pens. They're water-based, and they're really vibrant. And you could do the same thing with the Zig Clean brush pens. And I just colored the stamp with the different colors I wanted, and I sprayed it with a little, like, I sprayed it with water, and then I stamped it, and then I got this effect. And I also added some tiny hearts that were included in the kit. The stamp was included in the kit, and this paper, the card base. And then this opens like that. And I love the colors. I love the little strawberry spirit. Oh, and I put a little heart here. It fits perfect. It looks so cute. And I did another one in that kind of technique, just different colors. Well, there's the same colors, but it's a different stamp, and they're all holding. There's like another one or two. Well, actually, the other ones don't have the hands like that, but the little heart fitted in, and it's like perfect. And I colored them with watercolors. I added, you cannot really see it, I added a Nuvo, well, a little bit, the Nuvo crystal brush to give it a shine. And I added some detail, like with like some fine tip, like microns. And this one is included in this set. I will put links to everything I used, the kit and the other stamps I used, and the markers and everything. And yep, this is this one. And then I did this one with some room, and then I did this one. So this one is the same craft paper with the color pencils and the highlights. But with this one, the background, I used Distress Resist Spray. I have it right here. Actually, it came in another kit and I haven't used it yet, so I wanted to try it out. It's really nice. It gives this kind of bubbly texture, and you can really feel it. It has nice texture. And then I added Distress ink, sponge sugar, and I added Nouveau, the shimmer, or is it the mousse. I added that with my finger, rubbed it on, and then because it was I got it new too, I used the Nouveau gilding flakes. I saw videos and I really wanted to try it, and I love how it turned out. So I added the gold to that. Oh, and the stitched, the wonky, this is the wonky, how is it called? Wonky stitched frame something from my favorite things. But I can link that in the description too. And the last one I did was this one. And again, it's the same paper. This was the rest. And this here is the stamp, so you can see a little bit better. And I gold embossed it. And this is also from the other paper. I did a big sheet, and I cut out what I needed, like the way I liked it. So I liked a lot of blue here and just a little bit sprinkles. And I have more white showing the paper, so depending from what I needed, I can cut out what I need. And the thank you is also from the stamp set that's included in the kit. And I popped it up on like foam tape, and I really like how this turned out as well. So this is the last one I have for right now. I did actually 2 more, but I sent them out already. So if you have questions, you can leave them in the description. No, not in the description, in the comment section. And I will try to link everything in the description. And yep, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a little bit of a different video, and I still love kawaii and I still collect kawaii, but I'm taking a break right now. So I'm crafting a lot. So if you like these videos, then you can give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.